Y'all know I cannot breathe, right?
Then just flip the hair up and down through that hole. If you have...
Hold on. Hey loves, my name is Latoya Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, feel free to look around, subscribe. I've got a ton of natural hair care videos. Now today, I'm going to be trying a Caucasian woman's hair tutorial. I have come prepared with an assortment of hair things that I may need. Hopefully I don't need any more. Now look, I love my hair. I love its texture. I know the things that it feels comfortable doing, what it doesn't want to do. I have no delusions about that. However, I did want to make a video to make you smile since you love my wash and go video so much and to push me out of my comfort zone. Why not, right? All right, let's go.
Hey everybody, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I have such a fun video planned for you today. I know that I say that a lot because it's true. I've spent the last 3 hours of my life filming 10 tutorials for you, and they're all perfect for medium length hair. As you can see, I took my extensions out and I've chopped a little bit of it. I know my hair is a little bit longer than medium length, but this will work if your hair hits your collarbone. I even tried several of the hairstyles on my friend who has a shorter bob, so a lot of them will work for you shorter gals too.
Okay.
Hairstyle number 1. This is the floating braid, as I like to call it. We're just going to pin up a section of hair near the crown. Make sure you leave some pieces out near your face. And then I'm just securing with 2 crisscrossing bobby pins.
Y'all know I cannot breathe, right?
A small section of hair near the part on the thicker side.
Maybe I should have flat ironed my hair before I did this.
3 sections. We're
Now
gonna
it looks like she's braiding her hair pretty darn loose.
3 section to the top strand, braid it under the middle.
That's not what I usually do. I usually keep it nice and tight, but maybe there's a reason. So I'm just gonna follow Abby's lead. Okay, she has this part out. Abby, my hair takes a little bit longer to braid, so bear with me.
Once the braid reaches the back, we're just going to stretch it out to make it look a little bit more full, and then we're just going to wrap it around the bobby pins and secure on the other side.
Okay, let's move on. Your girl is about to get punished, I see.
Hairstyle number 2, this is the rolled bun. You're just going to pull your hair back into a low ponytail and then make a little hole with your fingers right above the elastic. Then just flip the hair up and down through that hole. If you have...
My God is an awesome God. I feel like this is a style that my hair kind of needs to be straight to even attempt.
A little bit more length, take the ends and roll them through that hole one more time, and then use bobby pins to secure the roll and any pieces that fall out.
Now, if you're familiar with any of my hair tutorials, you know I do a ton of rolling and tucking. I try to keep it very easy. So this reminds me of something that I may have even done in the past. The only thing is my hair does not roll and fit through the ponytail holder thing. It just doesn't do that. Shrinkage? I remember the first time I talked about shrinkage, my husband thought I was talking about something completely different. So, great job. This turned out good. I like it. Next style.
Hairstyle number 3, this is the edgy braid. It's super cute on really short hair. You're just going to clip all your hair out of the way except for a thin section from your part to your ear, and all of this is on the thinner side of my part. So I'm going to divide the hair into 3 sections and begin a Dutch braid. So
I was not aware that cornrows were also called Dutch braids, so I learned something new today.
And then when you get to the top of your ear, just do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down.
So normally I would braid this all the way down to the end, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna tuck it under.
Then we're gonna tie it off with a clear elastic, wrap it around our hairline by our neck, and then secure it with a bobby pin. So I just like to lay the hair on top after that.
I think that this turned out really cute. It's definitely still translates to my hair. The only difference is I would probably do a twist out in order to have like a nice wave or something going on with the rest of my hair, or I would just pick it out completely so that it's an afro.
This is the triple Topsy tails. If you have short or medium length hair, I love utilizing Topsy tails just because they help hold the hair in place. So right now I've
never heard it called Topsy tail.
I'm taking a small section a few inches behind my bangs and securing it with an elastic. I ran out of clear elastics, so just bear with me on the pink. And then you're gonna make a hole right above the elastic and flip the tail up and...
I'm gonna give this a fair shot, even though I'm scared. I don't really use rubber bands like this on my hair because they're dangerous in terms of, yeah, I might get some breakage, so.
We're gonna flip the hair through and do it one last time. And you can finish it off one of two ways. You can let it hang, and I like to take a small section of hair from behind the style and secure the flips in place by wrapping a clear elastic around the end of the last flip and that new
Hold on. The only reason I want to be fair, I really want to be fair and try and do the Topsy tail. However, this is going to be a nightmare to take out and I'm going to lose some hair. I gave it a fair shot.
Hairstyle number 5. This is the braided half ponytail. We're just going to take a small section from the very front, divide it into 3, and then begin a French braid. So this is the one where the outer sections go over the middle section. And then you're going to braid it all the way back, and as you'll notice, I'm honestly not too perfect with the lines. I kind of want it to have that more undone feel to it. When you reach the back, you're going to tie it off with a ponytail holder, and then to make the tail a little bit more poofy, you're just going to put crisscrossing bobby pins behind that elastic. And alternatively, you can use a small clip, but I couldn't find mine. So this is a super fun hairstyle that I wear a lot.
Ironically, I actually know how to do French braids way better than cornrows, and this style worked out perfectly. I have a lot of volume, so I didn't need any of the pins, and I think it looks cute.
Hairstyle number 6, this is the half bun. We're just going to gather the top layers of hair, smooth out any bubbles, and then secure it with a clear elastic. On the last pass through the elastic, instead of pulling it all the way through, we're going to loop the tail around so that it's now above this new half bun.
I think it looks cute on her, but it ain't working for me. Okay, so this next one, whatever it is, I'm going to try really hard on. I can do all things through God who strengthens me. Let's do this. What you got, Abby?
Hairstyle number 7, this is the triple buns. We're just gonna basically divide the hair into thirds and do 3 messy buns. Because my hair is a little bit longer, I'm doing a real messy bun because I have all that length to hide. And then when you've done all 3 buns, you're just gonna smush them all together with bobby pins.
Now I don't know what the back looks like, but I am very proud of myself. Only thing different I would do is add a headband, because your girl loves to accessorize. I feel like with a little bit of patience and practice, this can actually be a cute style, but I would not use elastic. If I can just tuck and pin like I normally do, I would do that instead. I feel like the manipulation with the bands is too much for me. It is too much.
Hairstyle number 8. This is one of my favorite everyday hairstyles and it looks so cute.
Nope. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna stay here. Abby, you were great. Fantastic. If you want to finish watching Abby's video, I will link it down below. Now, there was a lot of things I would have did differently because my hair is starting to crack, snap, crackle, and pop, y'all. I'm gonna stop here. Hold on. I'm gonna have to try something a little different to get a similar look. There's no way I'm gonna struggle with taking these rubber bands out, so we're gonna cut them out. Finally, a hairstyle that doesn't have any braids. Thank you. My shrinkage is getting the best of me, y'all. Okay, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. I feel like when my hair is on the struggle, adding an accessory really makes it look like something. Then... oh, Lord. Lord, help me.
The elastic, then just flip the hair up and down through that hole. If you have...
Do you guys see? Do you guys see that puff? But I just wanted to do this fun experiment because I actually borrow from different hair types all the time. I think it's a really good exercise to get yourself out of your comfort zone, but of course do the modifications that make sense for your hair. If you like this, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Would you try this? And if you like this style of video, I have another one I just did. I did like a wash and go on my hair for 7 days. That one's light and fun. Check it out here. And if you're interested in hair tutorials that I do for my own hair type, I will put a link down here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe and I'll see you in a couple days. Mwah.